All right, nuts number 2 running our pistol course. Not ready?
Yep.
Go! Nice job. He's running the Ruger Mark III Hunter. It's like an 8-inch barrel, 8.5-inch barrel. Hit! 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 Look at that group. That was good. Okay, 3 headshots. Good. Now we're running down to our little lightning bolt course. With alternating steel targets. Hit. Mag change.
Oh, I have an empty mag. Oh, no, I don't. There.
Hit.
I have one last shot now.
Hit. Hit. Doing good. Hit, hit. Now we're close up. All right, nice. All square hits.
That's all.
All right.
I dropped around in the dirt back there.
Alrighty. How do you feel about that run? You pounded those steels. Is that 20-yard steel?
Yeah,
That's a tight group. That's like a 3-inch group at 20.
That's a lot better than my first run. Than dropping the back around in the dirt.
All right, yeah, so we only had 2 shots available. All right, good.
You have the tape?
I do. Do you want to keep going? I'll tape.
Sure. Woo. Still sore from yesterday's running. That's what happens when you get old and fat. Pretty good on there. Oh, I must have missed one. There's only 3 on there. That sucks. I think I missed one on that steel. There's only 3 shots.
I don't think so.
Unless I hit right on top of one. No? Ooh, I was a little sloppy on my paper this time. Barely got that one in. Still in orange though. That was a good group. 20 yards. Of course, it is a lot easier with the 22 LR instead of a center fire. That's a decent group. Going rapid fire. All right, that was run number 2 of the day.